So you wanna have permanent sharp teeth like me or fangs? Not a problem.
Create a new Unity 3D project and import uniVRM. To keep things organized, create a new folder and import your model there. Drag and drop it to the hierarchy. Double-click the face. These options will be open in the inspector. Open the blend shapes list. Here you will find all the expressions of the character. You can expand here so you can see the names. You can open the model's mouth to make sure you are assigning the right expression. Assign the expression you are looking for. Once you find it, close the mouth. Click the main prefab in the hierarchy and apply the changes in overrides. Now go to vRM and choose Export Humanoid. At Export Settings, enable Pose Freeze. This way the changes will be applied directly to the model. Then you just click Export.
And you have the little step.
And this is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on social media. See you next time.